Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making egg drop soup. You will need 4 eggs, 4 cups of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 scallions. Using a sharp knife, cut your scallions. Place your eggs in a bowl, then whisk until they have a fluid-like consistency. In a separate bowl, combine your cornstarch and water, then whisk until well combined. If you like a printable version of this recipe, please visit soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Add your chicken stock and the white portion of your scallion to a pot, then bring to a boil. After 2 minutes, slowly pour in your cornstarch slurry and continue stirring. This will thicken your stock and give that silky, ribbon-like consistency to your soup. Return your liquid to a boil, then pour in your eggs, stirring constantly to form your egg ribbons. Now add the salt, white pepper, and the green portion of your scallion and mix until well combined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.